Alright, let's portray a nice face in this white background. You can see this is a piece of paper, and first I'm going to draw the outline or some. So this is the part of the face which you can see from the side. Okay, and you can see the throat, and this is the back portion. Now I'm going to draw the shape of the hat she is wearing. So it's like the sun shade, so almost covering up the whole face and the body. Also doing the front part. Okay, so for this part let's put the color with a pencil and putting the color shade from the side of the body, which is on the right side. Awesome, diffusing colors to the left. Okay, and for the head let's put that purple color in the head, and the color is going to be in the bottom part of the head, and the top portion remains white. Okay, so putting the deep color for the head. Now doing some details for the top portion of the head and showing up the circle. Okay. Alright, this is just a symbolic drawing and nothing more complicated. Very easy, very simple for practice. Making the lips solid. Alright, so the drawing is complete. I hope you like the video. Do practice at home, and the drawing is going to be more perfect every time you practice it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.